Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam overlay shortcut. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration panel where you can customize various aspects of your gaming experience. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on In-Game. This section controls all your overlay and screenshot settings, which are essential for managing how Steam interacts with your games while you're playing them. Now, scroll down through the in-game settings until you find the overlay shortcut keys option. By default, this is usually set to Shift plus Tab, which allows you to bring up the Steam overlay while gaming. Right beside this setting, you'll see the current shortcut displayed. Click on Shift plus Tab to begin changing it. Next, click inside the overlay shortcut keys box to select it. The box will become active and ready to receive your new input. This is where you'll define your custom shortcut that better suits your preferences or avoids conflicts with other programs. Now, press the new key or key combination you want to use. For example, you could press Shift plus 1 or simply use a function key like F10. Whatever combination you choose will immediately register in the box, replacing the default shortcut. Make sure to pick something that's easy to remember and won't interfere with your game controls. Finally, click Confirm to save your new overlay shortcut. Your changes will be applied immediately, and you can now use your custom key combination to access the Steam overlay whenever you're in a game. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Steam overlay shortcut to something that works better for you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.